Pediatric basic life support represents the first response to cardiorespiratory arrest in infants and children, a critical situation where speed and precision determine survival. These maneuvers, which include airway opening, rescue breaths, and chest compressions, aim to temporarily replace respiratory and circulatory function until more specialized treatment can be provided. In this context, immediate resuscitation by trained personnel or bystanders is decisive, as it can achieve neurologically favorable survival rates of over 70% in cases of out-of-hospital respiratory arrest. The excellence of these interventions lies in adapting each technique to the age and condition of the pediatric patient. From recognizing sudden infant death syndrome to addressing accidents or respiratory and cardiac pathologies, each scenario requires rigorous specialization and differentiated protocols. The sequence of actions, which includes 5 initial rescue breaths, effective chest compressions, and the use of a semi-automatic external defibrillator in children over 1 year old, reflects clinical leadership based on the most current scientific evidence. These maneuvers not only save lives, but also ensure a future with lower risk of neurological sequelae. Pediatric basic life support also includes prevention as an essential part of its framework of excellence. The promotion of measures such as the supine sleeping position to reduce the risk of sudden death, monitoring against choking, and education in household and road safety consolidate a comprehensive approach that goes beyond immediate intervention. This model, supported by continuous training and innovation, positions pediatric emergency medicine as an international benchmark of prestige, leadership, and commitment to protecting life in the most critical moments.